In this step, I'd like to talk about how you can convert a JSON string to a PowerShell custom object. So to do that, I've already started with a JSON string here that's just a simple string. So I will go ahead and bring that up, and you can see here that it's just a simple string. If I pipe this to get member, to show you there's no tricks under my sleeve, it is a simple string. Now, whenever you're parsing JSON, you typically don't want to see the whole thing. You want to sometimes reference individual keys in here. So maybe I want to just see this employee if there was lots of different employees in there. Maybe I just wanted to see the title of this employee or this department. When it's a string, you can't see that because it's not an actual object. It's just a loose string with really no particular rhyme or reason to it. You have to do some regular expressions, heaven forbid, to actually get any information out of there. But using PowerShell's ConvertFrom-Json commandlet, we can convert that to a PowerShell custom object. So looking at the output of ConvertFrom-Json, I can see here that it is now a PS custom object. Now I can go back and look at just the employee. So I can grab that, or I can just find all of them in here. You can see that it understands the JSON schema and was able to build a custom object from that. At this point, I can do whatever I want to. I can say employee, or I can dive in farther and just say employee.name, employee.title, anything I want at this point. So it's really easy because PowerShell has that built-in ConvertFrom-Json commandlet to convert strings into custom objects.